Yo, bro, let's get real. You ever feel like money's a game? Everyone else knows how to play except you? Robert Kiyosaki, the guy who wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad, dropped a secret playbook called Financial IQ, and it's not what you think. No stock charts, no crypto hype. Just 5 brutal truths to turn your wallet from struggle to stacked. Let's dive in. 1. Make more money by solving problems. Yes, really. Kiyosaki says money isn't about hustling harder, it's about solving bigger problems. Think of it like a video game. Level 1. Fix your shyness to become a better salesperson. Level 10. Solve housing shortages by flipping properties. The bigger the problem, the fatter your paycheck. Example, your broke friend complains about rent? That's a problem. Solve it by learning real estate. Boom, landlord status. 2. Protect your cash from cute predators. The scariest money thieves aren't hackers in hoodies. They're the bunnies and birds, people you trust. Like taxes, the #1 wealth killer. Partners who take half your empire in a divorce. Brokers who sell you garbage investments. Warren Buffett's wake-up call. The richest pay less taxes than their secretaries. Protect your cash like your life depends on it, because it does. 3. Budget like a rebel. Pay yourself first. Forget cutting lattes. Kiyosaki's rule. Automate 30% of your income into assets before bills. Even if you're broke. Story time. Kiyosaki's wife Kim once had $1,000 income and $1,500 bills. They still put $300 into assets first. How? They side hustled like maniacs. Modeling, consulting, moving furniture. Pain? Yes. Worth it? Bank account says yes. 4. Leverage equals doing less, earning more. Leverage isn't just loans. It's other people's time. Hire a VA for $5 per hour. Other people's skills. Outsource your weak spots. Other people's money. Banks fund your rentals. Cold truth. Jeff Bezos doesn't wash his dishes. Neither should you. 5. Upgrade your brain or get left behind. Knowledge expires faster than yogurt. Kiyosaki's warning, industrial age advice, go to college, get a job, is dead. Example, your uncle says invest in 401ks. Meanwhile, AI and crypto are reshaping wealth. Stay curious or stay poor. Look, money's not math, it's mindset. Pick one hack today. Solve a problem. Fix someone's headache for cash. Protect your income. Learn tax loopholes. Automate savings. Even $20 counts. Subscribe. Next week, I'm breaking down how to turn $500 into passive income streams. And if you want to help me keep these vids free, join my Patreon, link below. You're not just supporting me, you're funding a revolution against bro culture. Stay hungry. Get rich. Peace.